Looks like this thing is a bad inducer motor. It's definitely got power, but I don't believe it's spinning. It's in demand for heat right now, and so as we talked the other day, sequence of operation, this should be turning on first in heating mode. I can feel it vibrating. Yeah, but there's no the blower motor's on too. Yeah, I can hear it. It was locked up. Alright, so it's locked up. And there, it just quit trying. So the board locked out. So looks like this thing needs an inducer motor to get working. So we just pulled this motor off here, so we could go match it up, get this exact one. But look what I found. The cause of this motor might be okay, because in there, that wheel right there, that's what's really going on, is it's hitting. You guys see that? So it got caught up, and now it of course can't spin. So let's go see if we can't find another wheel for that. On the way to get some parts. Okay, here's our new one. Went and got an OEM replacement. New tag here. How does that go? That way. Alright. But before we do that, we're going to put our tip back together. This thing there. So this goes back on here like that, but I'm going to put some fire stop. You want to caulk any seam before this thing exits. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And unfortunately, left my caulking gun at home, so we're going to do it the old way. Here's that hole. Okay. We got our new inducer in there. Our seams caulked. There. So now we're good to put it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You seem to be missing a few screws.
So, that's where it still comes in handy. For you guys watching, everybody likes tool bags, but I like this backpack because I got all my extensions, my fittings, got my screwdrivers here, drill gun goes here, meter here, stubbies here, pipe cutters here. You know, I keep Allen's not much in the middle, but the back, pretty useful. It's got all your hand tools, your ratchet wrenches, Allen's, service wrench. It's a pretty all-inclusive bag. I like it for HVAC.
Okay, got our tube back on. All right. Let's turn this thing on in heating mode. So, got it jumpered now. We're testing it. Motor turned on, ignition. Looks like we're good to go. Blower motor's on. Okay. Well, it's good to go.